Implant options, evaluating prices in Europe and Turkey. Dental implants are an extremely popular and efficient solution to replace missing teeth. Implants are a natural, permanent alternative that improves the appearance and function of your smile. But one most important concern individuals face when they think about getting dental implants is the expense. In this clip, we'll explore the cost that dental implants can cost in Europe as well as Turkey, as well as the various options for you. Europe is well known for high-quality dental treatment. However, it does come with a price increase. Costs for dental implants in Europe is dependent on the region and individual clinic that you pick. In general, the cost of one dental implant in Europe is between €1,000 and €3,000. It typically covers an implant, abutment, and the crown. Additionally, additional costs for consults, x-rays, or appointment follow-ups may be necessary. Contrary to this, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to its low prices and top-quality services. Cost of dental implants in Turkey is much cheaper than Europe and makes it a desirable choice for many people. The cost of one dental implant in Turkey can range from €500 to €1,500. It usually covers all of the essential components necessary for implant procedures. If you are assessing the costs of dental implants within Europe and Turkey when comparing prices for dental implants, you need to take into account the overall standard of treatment and the credentials of the dentists. Although Europe could have higher costs, however, it also has stringent rules and guidelines in the field of dental care. Clinics across Europe have to comply with strict guidelines regarding sterilization, safety, and care for patients. In addition, Turkey has also made substantial advancements in technology for dental care and has a number of highly experienced dentists trained in leading universities and institutes. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey have state-of-the-art equipment using the latest methods as well as materials used for dental implant procedures. Furthermore, Turkey has become a destination for medical tourism, drawing patients from all over the world seeking high-quality medical care for a low cost. In the event of considering dental implants, it's essential to look into, and analyze the various choices available. Find a dental clinic that has an established reputation, good reviews, and highly skilled specialists. Get a thorough cost breakdown with the procedure of implanting and ask about any other fees that could be applicable. If you're considering a trip towards Europe or Turkey to receive dental implants, be sure to consider the costs of the travel and accommodations. It's also important to talk about any risks or problems with your dentist. Also, ensure that you've got a thorough comprehension of the post-operative procedure and the recovery procedure. Both Europe and Turkey, both countries have excellent choices with respect to dental implants. Both countries offer a variety of cost points. Even though Europe has higher costs, however, it has stringent regulations and excellent care. Turkey, however, on the other hand, is known for its affordable prices and superior quality when it comes to dental services. The decision for where you will receive dental implants will depend on your finances, personal preferences, and the desired quality of dental care. No matter which option you select, be sure to consider your oral health. You should choose an established clinic that is able to offer the highest quality of results of your smile,